Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's Monday and it should be day 2 of Vlogmas, but I am seriously slacking at this and I really suck. But let me give you a quick rundown of what's been going on so far today. If y'all don't know, some of you do, I work a split shift in my job. So 6:30 this morning, I was at work. I was back home at 9:30. I am actually in the process of looking for another job. So then I spent like 3 hours, about 3 hours just fixing up my resume and doing some job hunting. And then while I was in the middle of doing that, the mailman showed up and friends, look at this. My Simon Says stamp Crafty parcel box arrived. So I'm actually right now in the middle of attempting to film this video, which will be up on my channel later on today, possibly tomorrow morning, depending upon how the editing process goes with my Vlogmas videos, because I still have to edit video from yesterday. I still have a video for the drone racing that I have to do. Then I have Vlogmas day 2 I have to do. I have so many videos right now, you guys. It's ridiculous. And then on top of that, I need to organize the studio. I need to get my house cleaned. I need to get prepared for Christmas. I've only like half-ass decorated. Today has been rough. The first 2 days of December have been rough. But we're just gonna keep on pushing. Oh, crap. And I have to go to the gym today. So many things to do. All right, let me get back to the editing and the video recording, and I will check in with you guys later. Bye. Oh, all right. How are you guys doing? So I just got done doing like an hour's worth of editing. Maybe, yeah, about an hour. Whoops, lost me. Nope, you're losing me. Hey. All right, now that I'm done having camera issues, I have been editing for the last hour or so, trying to get Vlogmas day 1 ready. That's going to have to go up later tonight when I get off of work. And I keep losing myself. Ay, ay, ay. Scroll up, scroll up. Much better. Okay. Oh my gosh. I am having so many issues right now. This is crazy. So, I am on my way back to work to complete the second half of my split shift. That goes from 3:30 till about 6-ish. Kind of just depending, oops, forgot to put on my seatbelt. Just kind of depending upon how my day goes. And then once I get home from there, I will be heading to the gym. And then after that, I will be heading home to complete the editing process upon some of my videos and hopefully be able to have Vlogmas day 1 up. Oh, son of a bitch. Ugh, my garage door is like so busted and it never wants to go down properly, and I do not have time for this right now. Oh my God, I really don't have time for this. Oh! always, whenever you are in a hurry to get somewhere, that's when everything wants to go wrong. I'm tired of it. Arg! Some days I just want to be a kid again. All right, so as I was saying, before my garage decided it didn't want to work, I am heading back to work. And then I gotta go to the gym, and then I will be coming home and knocking out editing for Vlogmas 1. So that's gonna be up late. And then Vlogmas Day 2, as well as a Crafty video. So I will be getting all of that done after work. And yeah, that's about all of the update I have right now. Peace. On the way to the gym, of course, have a class. Woot woot. With my dear hubby. Gym time. And of course, it's just way too dark. Hey!
What on earth is your bank financing? Real change can start with responsible... 94 consecutive passes without interception. He likes the way they're running. He says on Russell Wilson, they got away a few times, but he likes the way they're getting to him. Steve, I don't think I've ever seen Mike Zimmer this positive. Well, I think you're...
Zimmer kicked my ass. Whew, but I feel great. Mm. Excuse my messy kitchen. Alright, now that I am home from the gym, I am going to finish watching the Seahawks game. I am going to eat some dinner. I am going to finish editing some vlogs. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.